Okay team, this is step 2 of your clay texture tiles. At this point my slab is prepped and I'm ready to cut out my basic shape. Remember, start with one tile and complete one before you move on to the next. So I'm ready here to cut the basic shape of my tile out. I have a square tile. I'm going to just place my design directly on top of the clay in order to help cut nice, even, straight lines. I'm also using a ruler, or if you don't have a ruler available, any sort of straight edge, cardboard, or again, paint stick will work. I'm going to take my pencil and trace the sides before cutting. If you're doing a circle shape, I actually found a container that's almost a perfect, or a bowl that's almost a perfect 4-inch square. So again, you could flip that upside down and trace a circle shape if you're doing that as well. When I'm ready to cut, I found that the plastic knife makes a really uneven edge. I like to cut with this popsicle stick. So with a steady hand, cut your shape, and any of those little, we could like to call them clay boogers, you can clean up later on or just smooth them out with your index finger. Okay, so my clay tile is prepped. I'm ready to start thinking about my design work. Looks even and ready. And periodically just picking up your clay off of that brown paper bag will help prevent from sticking. Okay, so from here, I'm going to do a basic drawing of my idea sketch. And I would recommend drawing with your pencil, or you could use your paper clip. And if you mess up, just smooth it out. Go back in. Again, these are basic shapes and designs. So just taking that pencil, mapping it out. I have a lot going on my drawing. I'm probably not going to show every single line design that I completed. Again, just getting that basic idea. Now remember, for your tile, we ask that you show a certain number of textures. So obviously I'm creating a texture with my drawing, but with our next video, I'll spend some time just talking about how to create added texture by raising up the surface and also by carving away. All right, so I've got my basic design on here, and then next video we'll start talking about building up those textures. Hope you're having fun with this project.